tell me what to say.
Bazongitshela ukuthi ngithini.
They will tell me what to speak.
Bazongitshela ukuthi ngikhulume
I
ngithini.
don't know if you are ready for such a life.
Angazi noma wena.
We are not sent by a singular kind of an ancestor.
Asithuliwe idlozi elilodwa.
Try to be bold enough
Zama ukuthi ube nesibindi.
to stand up
Ukuthi ume
for your ancestors,
umela amadlozi akho.
for the ones that sent you,
Laba abakuthumile.
for the ones that brought you to this world.
Laba abakulethile kulomhlaba.
Those are the ones that cares about you.
Ibona abanendaba nawe.
Those are the people that you should please.
Ibona abantu okufanele ubajabulise.
Don't stress about the people that are not happy about the message that you were sent to deliver.
Ungakhathazeki ngabantu abangajabule ngomlayezo bekufanele ukhulume udlulise.
The message was not intended for them.
Kusho ukuthi lo mlayezo bekungasiwona wabo.
But those who give you an ear,
Kodwa laba abakunikeza indlebe,
your message was meant for them.
lo mlayezo bekowabo.
Siyaphila. Siyezwana. Sikhona sonke. Ngiyakuchallenge.
I'm challenging you.
Asithunywanga idlozeliwa.
We were not sent by one ancestor.
Asikwazi ulapha ngendlela eyodwa sonke.
We cannot use the same method.
Asikwazi ukwenza izinto ngendlela efanayo sonke.
We cannot do things in the same way.
Umuntu kaMagagula kumelanga laphe njengomuntu kaDlamini.
Amagagula must not do things as Dlamini.
Nokashongwe kaMotha ngeke lapho ufana nezwe lonke.
And Shongwe cannot heal like the rest of the world,
Njengoba izwe lilapha.
like the world does.
Sishoda ngesibindi
We just need courage
ukuze sikwazi ukuyimela into esiyithunyiwe.
to stand for what we were sent to do.
Ngithe ngiyamkhulula
I said I'm freeing him,
ahambe nabadala bakhe.
that he walks with his
Aqhubeke
elders
nezifundo zakhe.
and continue with his studies.
Nizayibona indoda ezophakama kulomzimba.
You will see a man that will come out from this body.
Lento engimenzela yona namhlanje
What I'm doing for him today,
bancane abantu abangamenzela yona.
there are very few people that will do the same
Futhi bamenzela yona mahala.
and do it for free.
Ngoba usizo lala enkonzweni
Because the help from the service
lumahala.
is free.
Kodwa lokho
But this,
ngaphandle kwenkonzo
outside church,
kuyawudinga no 150,000.
it needs 150,000.
Ngoba kunabantu okumele bayolandwa emanzini ngokwesiko.
Because there are people that needs to be fetched in water.
Kunenkomo okumele zihlatshwe.
There are cows that needs to be slaughtered.
Kunomngcwabo okumele wenzeke.
There's a funeral that must happen.
Kodwa ke namhlanje sithi umphefumulo unamathele emzimbeni wakhe.
But today we're saying that spirit must sit in your body
Kulo ukukhululeka kwakhe.
and then be free.
Manje sisekhona. Sikhona sonke.